Good morning, student. Today we are going to complete our lesson number 5 exercise. First, fill in the blanks. First, the principle of non-violence is a very important in Jainism. Next, an extraordinary feature of Gautam Buddha's personality is an compassion for all living beings. Question number 2, answer in short. First, what were the teaching of Vardhaman Mahavir? Now you see. The essence of the teaching of good conduct is contained in the 5 great vows and 3 jewels. The assembly held by the Trimbaka to teach the people was known as a Samvardhani Ardha Magadi. Now next, first, which famous quote of Gautam Buddha have you read here? What values does it upload? Now see. The quotes of Gautam Buddha's is love all living things, have mercy and compassion, and live and let live. Now next question 3. What virtues are emphasized in Judaism? Now Judaism. Now see here. Judaism emphasizes injustice, truth, peace, love, compassion, humility, charity, ethical speech, and self-respect. Now next question. What are the teaching of Christianity? Now here, according to the teaching of Christianity, there is only one God. He is the loving Father of all entity, omnipotent. It is believed that Jesus Christ is the Son of God who came to the earth for the salvation of mankind. According to the teaching of Christianity, we are all brother and sister. We should love everyone, including our enemies. We should forgive those who err or go wrong. Now, next question. What are the teaching of Islam? The teaching of Islam is that Allah is eternal, absolute, all-powerful and merciful. The purpose of human existence is to worship Allah. The Quran Sharif provides guidance on how to man should behave in life. Then, what is at the core of Parsi thinking? What is at the core of Parsi thinking? Now see, at the core of Parsi thinking are 3 main principles of conduct, namely good thoughts, good words, and good deeds. Now write short notes. First, Arya Sattas and Panchashil. Now here it is Arya Sattas. You have to write down this 4 points, and here this Panchashil you have to write down these 5 points. Now put the following in the proper place in the chart of 5 great vows and 3 jewels. Now 5 great vows and 3 jewels. In 5 great vows, for Satya, Ahimsa, Asteya, Parigraha and Brahmacharya. And 3 jewels, Samyak Darshan, Samyak Jnana and Samyak Charity. Now give reasons. Why was the name Jina given to the Vardhaman Mahavir? Why was the name Jina given to Vardhaman Mahavir? Now see. Question number 3. Why did Gautam Buddha came to be called the Buddha? Because now see, Gautam Buddha wanted to know why were the sorrow and suffering in human life. He is left and all comfort in pursuit of the answer to his question. On Vaishakha Purnima, he was sitting on the deep meditation under the pimple tree at the Urula near the city of Gaya in Bihar. That is why he attained the Bodhi enlightenment on the highest knowledge. The tree is known as the Bodhi tree. So that's why. Now dear student, you have to write down this all question answer in your notebook.